Hello, everybody. Bernadette, our artist fun. Thank you for joining me today. Of course, we're going to have some fun today. I'm going to be making some camping mug container candles. I'm going to be using my soy wax. I love these camping mugs. I love the print. It makes me think of certainly outdoors and camping, but it's also something I could set outside in the summer or also at home, in my room, or the tub, certainly by the fireplace. They are so beautiful. It's just got a beautiful print to them. I call them Silent Night. And it just sounds good and seems to fit. I'm going to use a couple of beautiful fragrances today that I believe you're going to love. One of them, of course, is Blue Spruce. And Blue Spruce, I love this fragrance. It's like I'm going through the woods on a hiking journey or something like that. Of course, you can smell your spruce. You can smell, the forest trees. It's just a beautiful, beautiful scent. And I know you're going to love it. But this is going to be my Blue Spruce. But I'm going to use a fragrance called Calla Lily. I love it. It smells just like it says, Calla Lily, like the lily. You can smell a couple of fragrances, just like getting a fresh bunch of roses or a fresh bunch of flowers. You can smell all your flowers in there. And of course the lily, you can even smell lemon peel. It's just a beautiful, beautiful fragrance. I'm going to be using 2 different fragrances. And I'm also going to be using these wood wicks, which also is going to make these wonderful mug container candles look beautiful. Kind of fits with the mug. And the wood wicks kind of give it a crackling sound like you're actually at a fire. Beautiful. I love the wood wicks. I'm also going to be using some lavender here, which just kind of decorates that beautiful print and that I know you're going to love. But before I get started, I'm going to do like I always do, say something positive, something beautiful. In the world we are in today, it's kind of hard sometimes to get that good feeling going, but we're going to be doing something we enjoy. So I just want to say, bless us all. Let's just have a good day. I'm going to go ahead and melt my wax. I'm going to put it in the microwave. I've just finished melting my soy wax, and I've got it at the right temperature. So I'm going to go ahead and pour my fragrance. Just want to wipe this off so there's nothing on that thermometer. Going to go ahead and pour my fragrance. Right now I'm starting with the Blue Spruce. That smells so good. And I'm going to blend it together. Of course, this is one of the most important things in making candles, is that you blend that fragrance in for good at least 2 minutes. You want everything to bind together. And, so I just kind of take my time. And I'm going to let that blend. And I'm going to stir it. And let it cool. It's so important for me to stir it. I'm still stirring. It's okay though. I'm creating something beautiful. Okay, I am going to let the candle wax cool a little bit, of course, before I pour it. And I'm going to go ahead and I've already put my label on my candle, so I don't need to do that, along with my warning label that candle should only stay lit for about 3 to 4 hours. You don't want a candle burning all day. It's kind of dangerous to do that. So of course I put warning labels. So I've already had it decorated. Of course it says Silent Night and the beautiful blue spruce. Isn't that pretty? Aren't these mugs gorgeous? Okay, we're going to go ahead and get started. Let me go ahead and I'm going to put the wood wicks in. Okay, I'm back. My music is playing, which you know I love the music mode when I'm working with my arts, and just makes me feel good. And I love this song called Jerusalem. I love it. Hey. Isn't that a nice song? Get you in the mood. I'm going to use these stickers to put on my wicks. Now I don't have to because it does stand up by itself, but it just makes it a little firmer to me in the container. So I love these stickers to hold my wick in, and I'm just going to put it in the center and put it down in there. Push it a little bit firmly, not too hard, and it's in there, of course. Okay, all right, so let's go ahead and pour. Got our beautiful Jerusalem music playing, and I'm going to take my time. This is my blue spruce. Now I'm going to pour the calla lily, and again, I'm going to take my time. I have both of my fragrances. You know, that smells so good. And even though I'm right next to two different beautiful fragrances, I can get on this side, I can smell that beautiful calla lily. Still waiting those flowers. A fresh bouquet of flowers, that's what it smells like. And I can also smell the blue spruce. I'm an outdoors person, so it feels like I'm almost walking in the forest. But anyway, I love that. I'm going to be putting in a little of my dried lavender petals, flowers in here. And the trick to this is because you are working with dried flowers, you got to be careful because you don't really want anything next to your wick. So I'm just going to take my time and I'm just tapping the side a little bit, and I'm pouring a little bit of my dried flowers in. Just, it's about 1/4 of a teaspoon. I'm just using a couple of those, just so you can see those beautiful lavender petals. And if you notice, like I said, I just poured a little, and none of them are touching my wick. They're all to the side. And I can even use my little stirring stick to push them toward the side. Not next to my wick at all. You see that? Not touching the wick. I'm going to do the other one. Little lavender dried flowers to give it a beautiful look as well as a beautiful smell. Take my time, pour it along the side. I don't want anything touching my wick. And I'm just going to add a little bit more to give it just a beautiful look, along with the smell of lavender, which I love. So as you notice, I didn't put too much. Set that aside. I'm going to use this stick to make sure nothing is touching my wick. And it's going to stay to the top because that's what dried flowers do. Nice, classy look when you see these. But I am finished at this point. I'm going to let these dry overnight for 24 hours. And of course, I'm going to have a good fragrance. But, they are candles. If you let them sit for at least a week or two, they will even smell better. The fragrance kind of just generates in there and blends in even better. But I can burn them tomorrow if I like it. So it's really up to you. But we'll be back. Thanks for joining me today. I'll see you tomorrow. And we will finish up these beautiful mug candles. Aren't they gorgeous? And we're going to cut the wick. Thanks again. See you a little bit. Bernadette, our artist one. Hello everybody, Bernadette, our artist fun. Thank you for joining me back. I am finishing up the beautiful camping mug soy candles, and I use the wooden wick, which is of course gorgeous. And I also put some dried lavender petals in there as well. And as you can see, it came out beautiful. I love the print. There's a lot of things you can think of when you see this gorgeous print. It's not only fancy, you could use it inside or outside. And of course, you're always going to get the crackling sound from the beautiful wood wicks. But this is my blue spruce. And this is the wonderful calla lily. I feel like lilies in the field. So beautiful. I love, again, both the print and everything about these beautiful mug candles that we call Silent Night. So you can use them anytime. By the tub, outside, by the inside. They're just wonderful. Thank you for joining me in making these. If you like what you see, we do have a do-it-yourself kit for the same model. Both the blue spruce and the calla lily. And you can make your own. It is a beginner's kit, and as you've seen, it was pretty easy to do. I think you'll enjoy it. Please like our channel and subscribe. OurArtistFun.com, and you can get your own do-it-yourself kit. Bernadette, Our Artist Fun.